I got these LED headlights to test out and give my honest opinion. So let's go ahead and take them out of the box, check them out, install them so I can do that. So out of the box, you're gonna have 2 of these headlights. I have one facing the back so you can see what the back looks like, and here is the connector. It comes with the standard H4 connector and then 2 wires so that you can hook them into your turn signals and your driving lights. And then of course the same thing on the other light. This is what the front of the light looks like. Pretty neat looking headlights. And then it comes with a install instructions manual, and it also goes over some of the specifications of the lights. And then also extra wiring harnesses and wires to let you tap into your headlight wires in case you don't have this standard connector, which most vehicles probably should, but if not, you've got wires and connectors to help you connect into your blinkers, your driving lights, and into the standard high and low beam lights and ground that would be part of that connector. So everything is here that you would need to hook these in to your vehicle. So let me get these installed so you can see what they look like. So I am installing these lights into my farm truck. This is an International 4700 that does have the 2B1 sealed beam lights that you would see in things like, you know, the old Jeep Cherokees, things like that. They're sealed beam lights, so it's a singular light fixture that has an H4 connector. As you can see on this side, I've already taken it out. There's the H4 connector right there. And then this is my blinker light, but it also has the running lights in it. So I can tap into this to get the extra features that the light provides. So I think everything that I'm gonna need is right here. So let me go ahead and put these in and get them hooked up. This is what it looks like with the running lights on, or driving lights, whatever you want to call them, parking lights. So this is the blinker. Of course, this is LED and this is incandescent. I'm going to actually switch these out with LED soon. This is the headlights with low beams. This is the headlights with high beams. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, would you please give it a thumbs up? If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.